When disaster strikes, every second matters, and the gear you carry can make all the difference. Today, we're exploring the most reliable, battle-tested survival tools on Amazon. Gear built to perform under pressure, not just look impressive. From fire starters that ignite in soaking rain to compact water purifiers that remove viruses and heavy metals, these are the essentials every prepper and adventurer should trust. Stick around, because this is survival gear designed to keep you alive, efficient, and one step ahead of whatever the wild throws at you. Silky Bigboy 2000 Folding Saw. When speed matters and energy is limited, the Silky Bigboy turns firewood processing into a fast and controlled task. This Japanese pull-cut folding saw uses a 14-inch curved blade engineered to bite aggressively on the pull stroke, letting you slice through logs up to 7 inches thick in seconds with minimal effort. The Outback Edition handle combines wood and durable polymer, delivering warmth, grip, and control in wet, cold, or gloved conditions. Its black nickel tin-coated blade resists rust and sap buildup, while staying low visibility and non-reflective, a smart advantage in serious outdoor environments. Despite its cutting power, the saw weighs less than a typical hatchet and folds down for easy carry. Built for bushcraft, survival, and extended backcountry use, the Silky Bigboy 2000 Outback Edition typically sells between $80 and $132 and stands out as a long-term, high-performance cutting tool you can rely on when conditions get demanding. Streamlight Sidewinder Compact 2. Streamlight Sidewinder Compact 2 is a high-performance tactical flashlight engineered for hands-free operation in demanding environments. Built for situations where power sources are uncertain, this compact task light is designed to run on multiple battery types without adapters or adjustments, automatically regulating itself to whatever common cells are available. The rotating light head sweeps through a wide arc, making it easy to mount on helmets, packs, or chest rigs while directing light exactly where it is needed. Output modes include white light for general tasks, red light to preserve night vision, blue light for reading maps and markings, and infrared illumination for use with night vision equipment. The controls are intentionally tactile, allowing precise mode selection by touch alone in complete darkness. Rather than chasing extreme brightness, this light is built around endurance, adaptability, and control, making it a dependable illumination tool when other flashlights fail or run dry. KNIPEX Cobra XS Water Pump Pliers. KNIPEX Cobra XS Water Pump Plier is a fully functional, high-tech miniature tool, renowned for its compact 100mm length and its ability to access extremely tight spaces. The jaws open wide enough to securely grab pipes, bolts, and fittings up to 1 inch across, thanks to a self-locking cam mechanism that increases bite as pressure is applied. The teeth are induction hardened to extreme hardness, allowing them to grip steel without slipping or rounding fasteners. Once locked in place, the tool holds without constant hand pressure, reducing fatigue and maximizing leverage. Built from high-grade steel and engineered for mechanical efficiency, this tool replaces bulky wrench sets with a single compact solution that fits easily in any survival or repair kit. Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener. Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener delivers precise, repeatable sharpening in a compact, no-nonsense design built for real use. Coarse and fine diamond plates handle fast edge reprofiling, while a multi-position ceramic rod refines and hones with control. A genuine leather strop finishes the edge clean and sharp. Integrated angle guides set at exactly 20 and 25 degrees remove guesswork, locking in a consistent edge with every pass. The magnetically mounted diamond plates lift away to reveal a hidden broad head wrench and internal storage compartment, adding smart utility without bulk. Serrated blades and fish hooks are sharpened just as easily, making this tool versatile across hunting, camping, and survival tasks. Lightweight, portable, and field-proven, the Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener typically sells for $30 to $40 and ensures your cutting tools stay ready wherever the job takes you. Crosman Vigilante. The Crosman Vigilante is a versatile CO2-powered revolver-style air pistol designed for plinking, target practice, and realistic handling. Powered by a single 12-gram CO2 cartridge housed in the grip, it delivers reliable performance with every shot. Its standout dual ammo feature allows seamless switching between .177 caliber pellets using a 10-shot rotary magazine and steel BBS via a dedicated 6-shot clip. Pellets achieve velocities up to 435 feet per second, while BBS reach up to 465 feet per second. A 6-inch rifled steel barrel enhances pellet accuracy, and the authentic single and double action trigger replicates the feel of a classic revolver. Equipped with a fixed front sight and fully adjustable rear sight, plus top and bottom Picatinny rails for mounting optics, lasers, or lights, the Vigilante is highly customizable. This affordable fun shooter excels in everyday backyard sessions and training, consistently delivering strong value and performance. SOG PowerPint MultiTool. Small size does not mean small capability. The PowerPint MultiTool uses a patented compound leverage system that doubles gripping and cutting force through geared pivots built into the pliers. This design allows heavy wire, fasteners, and stubborn materials to be handled with minimal hand strength. The tool houses 18 integrated functions, including blades, files, screwdrivers, and precision cutters, all packed into a frame that weighs just a few ounces. A magnetic bit holder accepts standard hex bits, expanding functionality far beyond built-in tools and turning the PowerPint into a true repair platform. Compact enough to disappear into a pocket, yet powerful enough to handle real mechanical work, this multi-tool delivers maximum utility without unnecessary bulk. Leatherman Raptor Rescue Shears. This tool exists for moments when knives become dangerous instead of helpful. The Leatherman Raptor Rescue Shears are built for emergency response, designed to cut fast, clean, and safely through materials that defeat ordinary blades. The main shears are made from hardened stainless steel, capable of slicing through heavy denim, thick leather, seat belts, and layered clothing without snagging. Integrated into the handle is a dedicated strap cutter that locks in place, allowing one-handed operation when mobility is limited. A carbide glass breaker is built into the frame for rapid vehicle escape, and a ring cutter allows swollen fingers to be freed without further injury. The tool folds down compactly for belt or vest carry and deploys instantly under stress. This is not a convenience tool. It is a medical and extraction instrument designed to save time when time is the only thing that matters. Suunto MC2G Mirror Compass. Suunto MC2G is a professional-grade navigational tool built for precision and world travel. Its patented global needle balancing system keeps the needle spinning freely and accurate anywhere on Earth, from North America to Australia, ensuring you always point true north. The built-in clinometer measures slope angles for avalanche assessment or estimating tree height for shelter construction, while the sighting mirror with a V-notch allows precise bearings or signaling with reflected sunlight. Housed in a compact aluminum body, this compass is rugged, packable, and indispensable for any adventurer who refuses to get lost, all for around $70 to $90. Thyrm CellVault. Thyrm CellVault is a rugged, modular battery storage container designed to attach directly to MOLLE and PALS webbing, built for users who understand that power equals functionality in survival situations. This extra-large version expands on the original CellVault by adding a removable internal divider, allowing organized, silent storage of multiple battery types without rattling or accidental contact. The internal capacity supports two 1865 Zero batteries, 4 CR123 batteries, or up to 8 batteries, while also functioning as secure storage for small survival gear such as matches, medication, fire starters, cash, or compact emergency tools. The interior is food safe, making it suitable for sensitive items that need clean, protected containment. Engineered for harsh environments, the CellVault XL is fully waterproof, dustproof, and crush resistant, protecting critical power sources from impact, moisture, and debris. A glove-friendly secure latch allows fast access under stress, while the slim and vertical profile keeps it low profile and space efficient on any load-bearing setup. Mechanix Wear M-Pact Gloves. Mechanix Wear M-Pact gloves are professional-grade, impact-resistant gloves engineered for high-intensity jobs, military and law enforcement use. Designed to protect your hands without sacrificing dexterity, they feature a thermoplastic rubber exoskeleton across the knuckles and fingers to disperse impact energy and prevent injuries when handling heavy tools or chopping wood. The palms incorporate D3O padding, soft and flexible at rest, but hardening instantly on impact to reduce vibration and fatigue during extended use. Split knuckles maintain full finger articulation, while synthetic leather palms stay touchscreen compatible, letting you operate devices safely in extreme conditions. Lightweight, resilient, and priced around $30, these gloves are most critical survival tools for your hands. Titan SurvivorCord. Titan SurvivorCord is a patented, high-performance survival paracord engineered to exceed military specification 550 standards. At its core, it retains the classic 7/3-ply nylon strands found in traditional 550 paracord, but it goes far beyond being just rope. The outer sheath is heavy-duty nylon, rated to handle over 600 pounds of tensile load, making it dependable for shelter building, hauling gear, and emergency repairs. Inside the cord run 3 integrated survival strands: a high-strength monofilament fishing line for sourcing food, a flexible brass utility wire for traps, repairs, antennas, or small mechanical fixes, and a waxed jute tinder strand that is waterproof and ignites easily from a spark, even in damp conditions. Every foot of SurvivorCord delivers strength, fire, food, and utility in one compact line, turning a simple cord into a complete survival system built for real-world emergencies. By the time we finish, you'll know exactly which tools belong in your pack and which are just space fillers. These survival essentials, ranging from precision knives and multi-purpose saws to long-lasting water purifiers and life-saving multi-tools, combine durability, practicality, and real-world performance. Don't wait for an emergency to realize your kit is inadequate. Check the links in the description to secure these must-have tools, upgrade your preparedness, and stay ready for whatever comes next. Survival is about having the right gear, and with this list, you'll be fully equipped.